Phew, it's a hot one, guys. Anyway, welcome back. Now today I meant to show you what I've been doing. A quick little video. It's so hot. I'm trying to work in the shade today because it's very hot and well, it's 29 at the moment. It's just a bit hot for working in direct sunlight for us whiteys from Blighty. But anyway, yeah, so I thought I'd do the door cards. So I've already done one. So basically what I've done is bought a sheet of hardboard, marked it out off the old manky door card there. So that's pretty rotty. It's crumbly away here, and it's just damp and bulged, and yeah, it's just pretty nasty really. So I thought I'd freshen it up and clean up the actual leather on the door cards, or leatherette, or whatever it is. Because the interior, I don't know if you can see it from there, the interior is quite neat, quite a nice looking interior. Anyway, so what I've done is put the old door card on, marked it out, as you can see, with a marker, jigsaw. I shall make holes in the relative places. This is for the shutting handle thing, this is for the door catch, and it's the window winder. Make holes for those, and yeah, bosh. Yeah, anyway, here's one I did earlier, as they say. Ooh, what was that? Oh, just had a bit of a collapse of the gear. Anyway, that was one of those things, wasn't it? Shit happens type things. Anyway, there's the... So yeah, you can see that looks a lot better, doesn't it? So I think Herman's going to be very happy with that, aren't you, Herman? Yeah, he's itching to get out on the road. We both are. Anyway, that's all I've got to offer you for the moment, guys. T25, I've been doing a similar thing with that, replacing these the boards and things inside, and carpeting and things, gutting out the interior. I'm going to rebuild the interior, or maybe not, or just keep it as an empty van, because I don't need it as a camper now. Got the Transit Custom. Yeah, I know, Transit, but you know, can't knock it. It's a beautiful drive, efficient, fuel efficient, fast. So, but nowhere has it got the character of this old boy. So anyway, that's that then. Catch you later.